Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Gemini not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Gemini requires a strong and steady connection, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it starts working. Next, swipe up on the bottom of your screen, look for Gemini, and then swipe it away completely, closing it. Wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary glitches can stop the app from working properly, so try closing your app completely to see if it works. Then restart the device to refresh the system and clear any background issues that may be affecting the app. If you're using Gemini in a browser, clear your cache and cookies from the browser settings. This removes all corrupted data that may prevent it from loading correctly. Also, make sure your app or your browser is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for Gemini, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause compatibility problems. If the issue continues, it may be due to server problems or high traffic, so wait a few minutes and try again. That's how you fix the Google Gemini not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.